Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Here it's April 12th, so most of these plants have been in it for about 43 days. Especially these ones on the left here, in the aeroponic system. Some of these plants. This is the aeroponic side. These are all Seascapes strawberry plants. On this side we have also some Seascape strawberry plants planted at the same time, but this is a deep water culture system, so you see these ones are definitely smaller. I'd say they're at least a week or two behind the aeroponic system. Rhubarb plant. All of these plants over here have been in here for a little bit longer. Most of these plants didn't really grow very well except for this one giant monster right here. So I'm trying to root all of these runners that are coming off from it, so you can get some more good plants out of it. We have up on top here some more. So I also took all of the bad plants out and planted a few lettuce plants. There's four romaine lettuce plants on the right there. There's two oak leaf lettuce plants on the left, and then there's also two more rhubarb plants on the left. Because nothing goes better with strawberries than rhubarb. So that's about it. That's the update for today. Thanks for watching.